2014, an anonymous user on 4chan posted a series of gross pictures. He claims that he'd been living in filth for years and desperately needed someone to save him. Users on 4chan were absolutely horrified. There was no way someone could actually live like this. However, they wanted to learn more about this anon. So, because of this picture, they dubbed him Fridge Bro. He's covered all of his windows so his neighbors have no idea about the mess, and his entire house is crawling with bugs. In his kitchen, there's mummified food everywhere, and his bathroom is the cleanest place in the house, where he sometimes washes himself with hot water. But one thing in particular caught 4chan's eye. They had to know what was inside the sour cream, so they begged Fridge Bro to investigate, and after some teasing, he finally opened it. But Fridge Bro then decides to put it in the microwave, freaking 4chan out even more. Eventually, anons convince him to drink the sour cream, and that's the last time the internet would ever hear from Fridge Bro.